Senator Duckworth, please. Thank you for being our Democratic lead on this bill. Thank you.
Well, I have to say thank you first and foremost, Mr. Chairman, to you, and also to Senator Cardin for allowing me to lead this bill. It is very generous of you. It is so important to my home state, where we are home to 25% of the lead water lines in the entire nation. We have exponentially more lead water lines than any other state in the nation, and we are also a state that sees significant injustice when it comes to our infrastructure and environmental injustice. So I just want to thank Chairman Carper for your very strong leadership and willingness to work with me in making a comprehensive water infrastructure bill a reality. I know that both you, all of us, share a belief that to truly build back better, our nation must prioritize putting Americans back to work, repairing, upgrading the aging pipes we all depend on to deliver our water. I also want to thank Ranking Member Capito and Subcommittee Ranking Member Lummis for working with us to make our drinking water and wastewater infrastructure bill a truly bipartisan proposal that meets the needs of the diverse communities we represent. Of course, as I've said, the threat is particularly pressing in Illinois. My home state has the misfortune of containing more lead service lines than any other state in the country. In fact, over 23% of our nation's lead service lines may be located in Illinois. And furthermore, the city of Chicago is home to more lead service lines than any other city in the United States. I speak regularly both with Governor Pritzker and Chicago Mayor Lightfoot. In fact, I spoke with both of them just within the last 72 hours about this very issue. And they joined me in being ready and willing to fix this problem, but they need the federal government to step up. But it's not just the mayor of Chicago, it is also the mayor of Peoria, the mayor of Alton, Illinois. It's the farmer who who farms in El Paso, Illinois. They all need clean drinking water as well. Our states and municipalities, regardless of political affiliation, regardless of red or blue state, are ready to tackle this issue and need we here at the federal level to do our part. A chilling Chicago Tribune report published last week revealed that between 2015 and 2020, tap water measurements in dozens of Illinois homes showed hundreds and even thousands of parts per billion of lead. These extreme levels match what researchers found during the same period in Flint, Michigan. As is with many problems in our nation, this lead contamination is often the worst in Black and brown communities. Data from one predominantly Black community in Illinois showed as much as 5,300 parts per billion of lead in the drinking water. And when the EPA action level is just 15 parts per billion, and the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention strongly warns parents that there is no safe level of lead exposure for a child. Years of failures to make adequate investments on a nationwide scale in our water infrastructure has led to a status quo where thousands of constituents, our constituents, are served drinking water through what essentially is a lead straw. This is a dire public health crisis, and we must do more to stop it. In favorably reporting our bill to the full Senate for consideration, this committee has taken an important first and significant step forward towards achieving our objectives. Of course, our work is not complete, and I want to again express my appreciation for Chairman Carper for his commitment to work with me as we move to the floor to integrate and refine provisions to strengthen programs that help support full lead service line replacement in Illinois and throughout the country. Thank you again for your support in this effort, Chairman Carper. I look forward to making safe water a priority as we together get this Drinking Water and Wastewater Infrastructure Act of 2021 across the finish line. Thank you.
Senator Duckworth, thank you for that statement. Thanks for your leadership.